Okay, we will be constructing the Lewis structure for CH3NH3. First off, let's look at this equation right here. This number of bonds is going to tell us how many bonds this molecule should contain. What is the electron demand? Well, the electron demand is telling us how many electrons each atom would like to have a noble gas configuration. We know hydrogen does not have an octet, it has a duet. It has 2 electrons in its outer shell to look like helium. And carbon and nitrogen like to have a total of 8 to look like neon. So we would have 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 8 here, 8 here. So we'll add all these up, and that should give us, let's see here, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8. That is 28, so let me clean this up. So our demand is 28. Okay, what is our supply? Our supply is how many valence electrons each atom can actually contribute. So like hydrogen is in group 1, so it can contribute 1 valence electron. Each of these hydrogens contribute 1. Carbon is found in group 14, so that contributes 4. Nitrogen is found in group 15, so that contributes 5. So if we add that up, it's 4 plus 5 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But we have a plus sign here, so we're going to subtract 1 from our 15, so we'll have 14. If it was a negative, we would be adding it because electrons are negatively charged. So since we have a positive right here, we're losing a charge. That's why we're subtracting. So it's 28 minus 14 divided by 2. And we'll find that equals 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So we need 7 bonds here. So let me clean this up real quick. Okay, there we go. So we're going to have 7 bonds. We know hydrogen likes to have a single bond. Don't complete the duet. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 1 more bond to give, so this has to be a single bond. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bonds. Let's do the formal charges. So let's start with carbon. This carbon right here. Carbon has 4 valence electrons. Subtract it by the non-bonding. There is no lone pair, so that's 0. Plus the number of bonds, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 minus 4, and that equals 0. This hydrogen right here will have 1 valence electron. It has no lone pairs. It has this single bond right there. So it's 1 minus 1, and that equals 0. Now, all these hydrogens have the same thing. They only have a single bond, so let's just go through here and write zeros. Okay, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons because it's in group 15. Just put 5 right there. It has no lone pairs, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds, so 0 plus 4. So it's 5 minus 4, and that equals a positive 1. So that positive charge will go right here on the nitrogen. And this right here is your Lewis structure. I hope this video helped you, and I'll be making a lot more Lewis structure videos. And that's it.